Hi friends, this is a really fun game called the polar bear game. You can do it or have an adult help you cut out his mouth, because what you're going to do is feed the polar bear. What does a polar bear like to eat? Does he like fish? Here's some fish with all the ABC letters, the uppercase and the lowercase, A all the way through Z. And that does numbers 0. And if you notice, they're not in order. 0, 4, 1, 5. That's not the way they go. But look, all the way through 20. And then here's some that don't have any. Then there's shape fish. Can you name the shapes as you're feeding the polar bear? Then we have ones that are just plain ABCs with no pictures on them. Can you say your ABCs as you're feeding the polar bear? And then same thing with the numbers. Then there's just plain shapes. You're welcome to color them. You're welcome to leave them white, however you want to do them. Then at the end, there's this little polar bear game where you can cut these out. There's just a few letters here, not all of them, and you're going to make a match. Like here's the upper K, and you're going to look down here for the lowercase k. Here's the lowercase k, so that would go right here to make a match. Here's an R. Here's a lowercase r. Have fun with all this. Enjoy the game. Bye, friends.